Hey, I'm Andrea, and this is Secret of the Oracle by Saviour Pirotta. The Mother of Shadows. Winter, 433 BC. It was already dark when the girl with the unusually red hair crept out of the shed, peering this way and that. She was leaving the farm without her parents' permission, and she didn't want to get caught. As she stole past the barn where her father slept, one of the family's goats bleated loudly. The girl froze in her tracks, her heart thumping. She did not start walking again until she was sure her father was snoring. Then she made a dash for the gate. Click! The girl breathed a sigh of relief as she pulled the gate shut behind her. It didn't take her long to find the mountain path, and she hurried on without looking back. She needed to be quick if she was going to make it home before her parents woke up. It was midwinter, and the air was sharp with the scent of pine. A sliver of new moon sat high in the sky above the mountain, glinting like the edge of a silver coin. It was surrounded by a multitude of stars, twinkling in the velvety darkness. The girl thought the new moon was a good omen. She was named after the moon goddess, and the new moon always brought her luck. There was snow on the ground, and she was glad she put on her boots instead of her usual sandals. She was glad of the warm epiblema around her shoulders, too. She had inherited the much-darned woolen shawl from her grandmother. So, who do you think this girl is? Is she going to visit the Mother of Shadows?